Hi there. Today, we will learn how to fix deleting letters and characters while typing. As you can see, I have a test file here. I will open it. And what happens is that, when I write some letters or characters behind some content that already exists, these new characters will erase the ones in front. Why does this happen? This happens because, probably unintentionally, we activated the overtype mode. To solve it, it's very simple. Just press the insert key on the keyboard. Press Insert and you will notice that you can now write normally, without deleting or replacing the characters in front of you. This is a problem that you may not have in Microsoft Word, because this application has a special feature. This feature allows you to bypass the insert key. Still, you may be interested in activating it if this functionality is disabled or deactivated, so you don't have this problem again if you find that it is activated. To do this, go to File. Down here, you press Options. In the Word options, you choose, in the sidebar, Advanced Options. Now, just activate or deactivate the insert key here in this field, depending on your preference. Press OK and everything is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I hope it helped.